too loud for you? You roll up the window, baby. I'll turn it off for you. What the hell is he explaining? Oh my god, this smell is amazing. Oh! I don't see your eyes. It's fucking black. Like, it's as black as people think I am. That's how that's how black your thing is. Let me guess, you kill switch me. You're a bitch. Oh, you turn my key too? You're a dickhead. Yo, my ear itches and I can't scratch it. Yo, that might have been a subscriber, man. I think he was saying I watch you. What's up, kid? Yeah, you like that, don't you? Give me that smile. Show me them teeth. Oh my god. Show me them teeth, kid. I have a stop sign, you don't. What up, kids? I haven't skateboarded in years. My chin itches, man. Ugh. I should shave. Oh my goodness, I hit 8,000 kilometers. I don't know if I should go straight. Yeah, I'll go fucking straight. Fuck this shit. I don't know, is it starting to rain? I'm trying to look at my visor if it's raining. I just go cross-eyed because I'm trying to like see if there's raindrops. So I usually just look at my windscreen. Oh. Watch out! Not in my neighborhood! This guy's fucking smoking and driving and he's not paying attention, man. What's up, kid? Hey. The bridge is a go. If anyone gets that, let me know. You're the laziest piece of shit. We got a camera for dual vlogs. And you don't charge your motherfucking camera for dual vlogs. I'm in me car. Vroom, vroom. Illinois. Damn, you drove pretty damn far. I seen Pennsylvania, Massachusetts, Illinois, Florida. Everyone's honking. I might as well fit in the role. Whoops. Oh. 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 Oh my god. Oh, that's gross. That's fucking disgusting. A woman's feet, maybe. A man's feet? That's gross. Team 6! Don't text and walk. That was loud. Yo, this is so bad for our tires, man. Made it look. Oh, what's this retard doing, man? He doesn't know what he's doing. Give him a little honk. Let's see what he does. I'll share the love. There we go. Thank you very much, old man. I saved you a rear end. Ooh, and I have it on camera. Ooh, and it could go viral and I can become rich. Okay, get rear back up, guy. Let me see you get rear-ended. So, bitch. I'll fuck with your mirrors all I want. Get the fuck out of here, guy. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. That was scary. Yo, watch, I'm gonna hit my helmet on the fucking thing. Cause I'm 6'4". Ding! Whoa, I can feel the fucking vibration of this bitch. Put your shirt on, man. It's cold. There you go. Like, you thumb me up. Holy fuck, look, she's like 10 years old wearing booty shorts. It's fucking gross. If I saw my daughter do that, I'd slap the shit out of her. out of love. I'm kidding. I wouldn't beat my kids, man. I'm kidding. I'd be a great father. The only thing I've ever beaten was my dick. Yeah, people are saying that those two buildings in one of my videos look like two crushed pop cans. Yo, my eyebrows are sweaty. My mustache, I haven't shaved and it feels like so soaked right now. What was what? Oh, that's probably my bike. 1X just said my bike downshifting sounded like a dying cow. Oh my god, I sweat. I can't put this fucking glove on. Alright, you know what? Oh, fuck. Exactly. I'll go this way. Dude, I just went off-roading. I like a curb hopped. Yo, this guy did just not park his handicap scooter thing on a parking spot. That is badass. Oh man, if I run out of gas, it's gonna be embarrassing as fuck. I don't know of any other gas stations. This one doesn't accept gas. I mean, this one doesn't accept debit. It only accepts cash. I don't have cash on me. Thank you very much, my girlfriend, because you talked me into only carrying debit. So I blame all this on you. The fuck? Mad, bro? He looked more like a teddy bear than a fucking mean dude. That is a decked out Honda Civic. I'm not gonna lie. The color looks nice. It's matte black, tinted lights. I don't know, it's a nice looking Honda. Let's see the rims. Yep, black rims. Although one of his lights is out. Carbon fiber spoiler. I'm gonna tell him it's a nice looking Honda. No, he's not gonna pay attention. You saw nothing, you heard nothing. I did not stall. Circle, bitch! This light will not turn green.
I know you like my shit. I know you like my shit. I know you like, so like my shit.
A PS Records production.